Hey guys, welcome back to another LEGO Trainmark video. So today I have three old Western styled steam locomotives. First is basically just a recolor of one I already have. In this, I would think, better looking paint scheme. And the tender, still the old Gobernator one. Next is a 460 10-wheeler, inspired by Union Pacific 119. This one, the tender, looks like this, with some coal. And the locomotive has gone through a few different looks. Right now it has the standard cab, but it did have the cab all the way up to here. And before that it was all just gray. So you got the gold and red in the old windows. And some detail in there. This one actually has a magnetic coupler there. Then my most recent Jupiter-inspired 0102 tank engine. It's got the light there, the number thing, the pistons, the ladder, the bell and sand and steam domes. The cab also with old windows. Not really any detail in the cab, but it's also got that coal bunker there and those handrails. This one does work decent, and so does the 10-wheeler. And also on this side it has that like air pump thing. But I guess that's also gonna do it for this video, so I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.